Dr. Hidrom Prem Kumar Singh. This is also, I would request our Honorable Minister to please present Kalabhushan Thangka. Dr. Hidrom Prem Kumar Singh was born on 30th September 1959 at Hidrom Makalekai, Imphal West, Manipur. His family had a background of Thangka, martial arts, and Mukna, a Meitei wrestling style. During his childhood, he was strongly influenced to learn Thangka martial arts and Mukna by his father, and further he was influenced to learn Thangka martial arts and Mukna by the Sumang Kumei, a Meitei form of courtier play in which the parts of these art forms are always displayed as an amusement. Young Prem Kumar had experienced many of the local elders playing Mukna as amusement in the open ground of his village, and then he learned from them the same. Then he learned proper and formal Thangka martial arts training from a renowned Thangka Sintak Kurel RK Sunahal of Sinjamay, Mayangam Dekai, for a period from 1976 to 1988. Besides his prime time, Sintak Kurel, Dr. Hidrom Prem Kumar Singh learned the art from Sintak Kurel Patna Sri Nidho Khongjam Khel Chandra Singh of Uripo, Nidho Khongjam Dekai, Sintak Kurel Gurmayung Sana Sharma of Singamathak, Sintak Kurel Sinam Devabrata Singh of Pesantong Imphal, Sintak Kurel Patna Sri Gurmayung Gorkishore Sharma of Kilingong, Sintak Kurel Bijit Nangomba of Nagampal, Kongja Bilera, Sintak Kurel RK Jirasna of Mayang Imphal, Sintak Kurel Patna Sri RK Achoko Singh of Lolobong Imphal, Sintak Kurel Posangam Maniksan Singh of Hagenpali Imphal, and Sintak Kurel Kosnam Devola Khaba of Nongweibong. He had performed both ritual and combating Thangka demonstrations in many public places, functions, and temples of Manipur and India. He received scholarship award in the field of Thangka from the Department of Culture, New Delhi for the year 1984-86, received Asian Award from All India Federation of India Martial Arts in the year 1990, first position award of Rashtriya Jubo Sangam from Sarvodaya Shikshan Imam Vikas Sanatan, New Delhi in the year 1991, received Thangka Sports Lamyambe Award, Banner of Thangka Sports from Kuala Manipur, Thangka and Cultural Association in Ilbung, and received Senior Fellowship Award from the Ministry of Culture, Government of India in the year 2008. His contributions, recognition of Thangka by Youth Affairs and Sports Government of Manipur in the year 1988, recognition of Thangka by Indian Olympic Association in the year 2006, recognition of Thangka by Manipur University Sports Committee in the year 2011, recognition of Thangka by Hello India, Ministry of Sports, Government of India in the year 2019, conducting 33rd times Manipur State Thangka Championships, conducting of 30 times National Thangka Championships, conducting of 4 times Asian Thangka Championships, conducting of 5 times International Thangka Championships, and conducting first World Thangka Championship in Imphal, Manipur in the year 2011, etc. Now it is over to. Now I request Dr. M. Ningaiba Singh, General Secretary of Manipur Sahitya Parishad Assam, to please read the citation of Kalabhushan Thangka in favor of Hidrom Prem Kumar Singh.
Oza Dr. Hidrom Prem Kumar Singh Thang Tangilamda Hidrom Amiyam Sapangarba Hojina Hidrom Hidrom Makhalekai in Father Lediba Oza Imo Dr. Hidrom Prem Kumar Singh Mokonda Manipur Sahitya Parishad Assamna Wang Bakhat Mamal Khamjaba Loina Dubai Khambusen Loina Oza Imo Thang Tangilamda Sintha Wajaba Tubak from Kya Pangtoki Mamal Khamjaba Manipur Sahitya Parishad Assamna Lupasiri Humbuli Soisuba Say the Kamlega Kalabhushan Thangka Haiba Manasi Ozadi Mukunda Kushina. Nada yekana amadi punsin samna kunagi seba tabuwa nambo desinu. Ngagom Joy Kumar Singh, President Manipur Sahitya Parishad Assam, Kumujam Dhiren Sinha, General Secretary Manipur Sahitya Parishad Assam.
Jawal Mandira